Today is October 31st. Yeah, the last day of the month. We're installing channel, the greenhouse strip to form a divider to separate the cavity, from east and west. So this is the central post. We're gonna make a divider this way, and then we can decide which side, the east side or the west side, to be filled first. All those, yeah, something like that. So this is relatively harder to do for this side because we move the bubble generator from the entrance to this side. So it's better the divider to be installed above the doorway. Then you have shorter distance to do that. But anyway, so yeah, it make everything harder this way. Yeah, next time we'll do it better. We'll do it the right way. As you can see, we use a greenhouse strip and a spring, and then woven film to create a divider. Yeah, from the bottom of the gutter, top of the gutter, the bottom, and then up to there. We stopped there because we are waiting for the louver air control unit, and then we need to decide how to seal the upper portion. Okay, we just finished installing the inner cover for the north end. Anyway, we found a method to do it relatively easily. Lots of holding, lots of enough material to be on that side to pull it, and pull it really tight, so you can see. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, we also apply woven film to the doorway, to the end of the doorway, perimeter, all around, and make opening for this. That's it. And yeah, for the top, we're gonna use a relatively rigid board to finish it, including this part. We got to using a board to go something like this, and then we use spray foam, to seal the gaps. Yeah, to insulate this area around the door everywhere. Then we just cut it off, the leftover. Okay, we cut up the leftover, and then everything looks right. This is a half round in the cover for the north end gable. Yeah, and Xiaofeng is fixing some wiring in the cavity.